Hello everyone. Today me and my group mates Shahla, Arina, Banu, Lala and Jamila will talk about how to deal with garbage in our city. First, I will give the introduction, then my group mates will talk about challenges in waste management, how to solve this problem, and conclusion. Poor waste management, ranging from non-existing collection systems to ineffective disposal, causes air pollution, water and soil contamination. Open and unsanitary landfills contribute to contamination of drinking water and can cause infection and transmit diseases. The dispersal of debris pollutes ecosystems, and dangerous substances from electronic waste or industrial garbage puts a strain on the health of urban dwellers and the environment.
Hello, my name is Shahla, and I will be discussing crucial aspects of Baku's waste management issues and their role in shaping our city's environmental future. First, let's look at the insufficient recycling infrastructure in Baku. Currently, the city has a limited number of recycling facilities, leading to a significant portion of recyclable materials ending up in landfills. The lack of accessible bins in public spaces and areas outside central regions further discourage residents from actively recycling. In addition, many of the existing recycling centers like Balahana Industrial Park and Temiz Şehir are not equipped to handle a wide range of recyclable materials such as certain plastics and e-waste. This has a major impact on both the environment and efficient use of resources. To make matters worse, the overflow of waste into landfills not only worsens pollution but also strains land use and increases harmful emissions. On the other hand, there is a pressing need for greater public awareness and engagement. Many residents are not fully aware of proper waste segregation practices, and this knowledge gap contributes to the mixed waste disposal, which complicates recycling efforts. Cultural attitudes toward cleanliness and environmental responsibility also play a role. While there are promising community-led initiatives like Green Baku and Red Hearts that encourage volunteering and waste management education, these efforts face challenges in sustaining long-term change. It's clear that alongside infrastructure improvements, there needs to be a concerted efforts to increase public understanding of environmental impact of waste.
Hello,
Hello, my name is Jamila and I will talk about our aliens on landfills. Baku heavily depends on landfills, which leads to challenges like land overuse, increased greenhouse gas emissions, and potential soil and groundwater contamination.
Hello, my name is Arina and I'll be talking about how to solve the garbage management problem. So these are the practical solutions to address waste management issues in Baku. The first one is to expand accessibility of the recycling points. Setting up more easily accessible recycling collection points through Baku neighborhoods could simplify recycling for the residents. These points might include separate bins for items like plastic, paper, glass, and electronic waste located in commonly used areas such as apartment complexes, malls, and schools. Additionally, collaborating with local businesses or municipal authorities to manage these collection sites would ensure regular upkeep and improve accessibility, which would likely boost community involvement in recycling efforts. The second one is to upgrade recycling facilities. Enhancing the capacity of Baku's recycling centers to handle a wider variety of materials, such as diverse types of plastic and electronic waste, would enable the system to process more effectively. Investments in advancement recycling technologies, such as automated sorting and separation systems, would improve efficiency and reduce waste sent to landfills. Partnering with international recycling companies could bring in the knowledge and tools needed to make these improvements. And increasing public awareness and introducing incentive programs is also crucial. Launching public awareness campaigns could help inform residents about the importance of recycling and how to participate effectively. Offering rewards like utility bill discounts, redeemable points, or small cash incentives could encourage residents to recycle regularly. Another option is to deposit return program for recyclable items like plastic bottles, where residents receive a small refund for bringing used containers to designated centers.
Hello, my name is Lala. I will also talk about solutions. First of all, effective solutions to reduce landfill overflow and environmental impact. First of all, increase recycling and composting. Make it easier for people to recycle and compost by providing more bins and pickup services. Educating the public about separating materials can help keep waste out of landfills. Also, hold companies accountable. Require companies to take responsibility for the disposal of their products like plastics and electronics. This encourages them to make items that are easier to recycle or reuse. Also encourage people and businesses to produce less waste. This can be done by reducing single-use plastics, using sustainable packaging, and promoting renewable products. Enforce stricter penalties for illegal dumping and improper waste disposal, encouraging responsible waste management for both individuals and businesses. Unlocking economic opportunities through improved recycling in Baku. Build more recycling centers. Increasing the number of recycling facilities in Baku will create jobs and provide places for businesses and people to recycle materials. Also, government incentives offer tax breaks or funding for companies that set up recycling programs or facilities. Promote community recycling programs. Set up more accessible recycling programs in neighborhoods and public spaces. Educate and encourage businesses, run programs to help businesses understand the benefits of recycling and how it can lower waste disposal costs, and also develop partnerships with recycling markets, connect with companies that buy recyclable materials both locally and internationally. Also, reducing Baku's dependence on landfills for a healthier environment by setting up more recycling centers and encouraging composting for food waste. Baku can reduce the amount of waste going to landfills. Waste-to-energy plants turn waste into electricity or heat. This reduces the amount of trash in landfills and provides the cleaner energy source. Encourage residents and businesses to reduce waste by using reusable products and avoiding single-use plastics. Offer incentives for businesses to recycle and reduce their waste, such as tax breaks or funding for waste reduction programs. Provide education programs about the importance of recycling and reducing wastes.
Hello, my name is Banu. Well, this presentation talks about the main issues with waste management in Baku, such as the lack of proper recycling facilities, limited access to collection points, and poor processing systems for certain types of waste. On top of that, many people aren't aware of how to properly recycle, and there's not enough effort to get the community involved in solving these problems. A lot of waste still ends up in landfills, which causes land overuse, pollution, and even groundwater contamination. Illegal dumping is also a big issue, partly because of big enforcement and not enough convenient waste collection options. To fix these problems, the solutions include building more recycling centers, improving waste collection, and working with recycling markets. It also suggests offering things like tax breaks or refunds for recycling, running awareness campaigns, and creating programs to involve the awareness campaigns. Other ideas include using waste-to-energy technology, cutting down on waste at their source, and enforcing stricter rules on illegal dumping to create a cleaner, more sustainable system.